Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to develop complete RAG application with Chroma DB. So in this tutorial we are going to read the text file and then index into the Chroma DB and finally read the index and search from the index. So let's get started. I am using UV for this project. So let's run it. UV init. So it is going to create a project. The next step is to UV create the virtual environment. So it created the virtual environment, and to activate we are going to activate this. To activate this, so it is activated. Now we are going to open the project into Visual Studio Code, and we will create the requirements.txt. Here we have opened the command prompt, and in requirements.txt we are going to add all the requirements like so into the requirements.txt add LangChain core, LangChain community, LangChain text splitters, transformers, Fires DB and Chroma DB. So we are going to use the Chroma DB here. So it is done now, and next step is to install this. So you run this command uv -r uv add -r requirements.txt. So now it will add all the required dependencies into the project. So meanwhile create a Python file read write.py. So this is the code that I will explain you, which actually writes the data into the Chroma DB. So let's see this program. So from LangChain community you need to import the text loader, LangChain text splitter, import recursive character text splitter. Then from LangChain community embeddings, import Hugging Face embeddings, and from LangChain community import vector store, import the Chroma, and next step is to file.txt. So create a file called sample.txt here, and in this file we will add the some text. So this text is about the GenAI. So we have GenAI refers to a class of artificial intelligence system. So this is sample.txt is about the GenAI. So we will be reading the sample.txt, and now we have to use the text loader file path, which is sample.txt, and encoding UTF, and loader.load. So this is a text loader and it loads the text document, and we are printing loaded this document. The next line is to split the text. So recursive character splitter. So chunk size we are using is 500 and overlap is 50. So overlap is basically during the chunking process it overlaps the 50 characters from this side and 50 characters from that side, so that it maintains the meaning of the text. After text splitter we are splitting the document text splitter dot split. documents, this document. So this document is now split it into chunks, and now we are printing. Total chunk is, length of chunk is this. Next we have to import the Hugging Face embeddings. So we are using sentence transformer slash all mini LM L6 V2. So this is the sentence transformer, and which is going to convert the text into vectors. And now we have the persistence directories dot Chroma DB. So we need to create a directory here, Chroma DB. So in this directory, Chroma DB is going to create the document store and persist the data there. So we are going to create the Chroma from document, and document is chunks, and embedding model is this, and this is the persistent directory. So it created the vector store, and finally we are calling the persist. So persist is going to save the data into the Chroma DB into the hard disk. Next we are going to run this query onto the document, and it is printing the output here. So you can see this all dependency is now downloaded. Now we can run the command, run this Python program, Python write.py. So it is going to load the embedding, this model, and then first is going to load the text, chunk it, and is split the document into chunks, and finally save into the Chroma DB. So let's wait a little bit. So you can see it is downloading the transformer. Now tokenizing. So this is the output from this search. From the DB vector DB, we are searching what is the document about, and returning the 3 rows. So 1, 2, 3. So that is document, it returned from the document store, and you can see here it created a document, chroma.sqlite 3, and then this is the document, this is the other data. So this way we can write the data onto the Chroma DB. Next I will show you how you can read it from the Chroma DB. Read.py, and I already have a code here. Let's copy it for. So here we are importing Chroma from LangChain community vector stores, and Hugging Face embedding from LangChain community embeddings. So this is the embedding model. Now the Chroma directory is .db /Chroma DB, which is this. Next it is creating the object of Chroma by passing the persistent directory and embedding model name. So this Chroma DB will automatically load the model, and here is the query. What is the machine learning? What is machine learning? So from vector db.similarity search query and number of items 3. So it is going to return the 3 documents and we are printing here. So let's run it. Python read.py. So I think there was some error earlier. Now it is loaded the embedding and now performing the search, and you can see there is 3 results. In this tutorial, how I explained you write how to write a document into the document DB, which is Chroma DB here, and then search the Chroma DB by providing a query here. I will provide you the link to get the source code of this tutorial. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.